Welcome to S&C Custom Designs. We are finished with the living room coffee table. Customer came to me and said, can you take this table here? And they went ahead and envisioned and sliced it up and did the math and said, can you make this for me? Make what? Make this. And I said, sure, I can do that. Then I accepted the project and I went, oh my God, what did I get myself into? Well, as with every project, I start off a little bit nervous, and then comes the end product. Oh my Lord, this is really, really nice. Thank you, customer, for challenging me on my very first official piece of furniture made out of recovered cherry. So this box was given to me with all of the various pieces from the old dining room table. And she made templates like this. And I give you dust in return. So there you go. Very, very happy and proud to have had the opportunity to make this. Take the recovered wood and make this beautiful table. Thank you for employing S&C Custom Designs. We look forward to future orders as well. Thank you very much for watching.